Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is September 14th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions, but I am not a financial advisor. So please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Palantir is up 43 cents, 1.66%. We closed at 26.26. Nice number. Post-market, we are down by 2 cents. Let's look at what this looks like on the chart. Okay, so we have a red candle, higher low from yesterday and higher high, but our wick is outside of this local downward channel. So locally, short term, very short term, in terms of days and maybe weeks, 1 or 2 weeks, we are in a downward channel. So the stock is in this pattern where it should be bouncing back and forth between support and resistance. That's what stocks do. We try to go outside of this resistance here, but we're shut down. But we are maintaining ourselves above, this is 25.74. So this support right here is 25.74. And I cannot help but notice that today's candle and the candle on the 10th have pretty much the same resistance. Look at this, pretty much right here. So I'm going to put it in a very light color, but basically this is a very local resistance that worked. 26.71. I almost said it in French. 26.71. Very local resistance. We are still in this downward channel, but we are above 25.74. And we seem to be below 26.71, so we might be entering a congestion zone. This is entirely possible that we are going to go sideways. You can layer in different patterns. A channel is a pattern. A congestion zone is a pattern. You can lay in also trend lines, so support lines, resistance line. You can lay in all of these things at the same time. Let's go look at the 1 hour chart. So this is the first candle of the day. So nice volume during the first hour. Nice volume, then was stopped at 26.71 as I mentioned. Then the second hour was considering this channel resistance. Third hour also, and then went down and a little bit of a pullback here. Nothing special to say about the indicators. Let's look at the daily chart indicators. It's going down as a pattern here. We are still closing above 80, so we are at 80.75. RSI, something to mention, not really. We are crossing over bearish, so this has just happened. Let me just make sure that it's only visible here on the daily chart. So crossed over bearish. And what about DMI? DMI recovered a little bit from yesterday. So, So the big question is, are we going to stay above, are we going to stay above 25.71? In which case we might be entering this congestion zone with the resistance at 26.71. Or are we going to respect this channel resistance here? So it's possible that the stock delays its decision. So it's possible that we play here. So just be careful if it plays here, because the stock has not really made the decision. The stock will really make a decision if it breaks this 25.74 to go down and continue in the channel, or break this resistance like this to continue in the congestion zone. So from here to these two breaks, we need to be cautious because the stock can go either way. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, subscribing, commenting. You can become a member of this channel if you want to encourage me to keep doing what I'm doing. We have a TradingView affiliate link if you want to have a discount on the TradingView plan. And I have to say that I just subscribed to the Pro plan and I have tons of alerts, stock alerts, so you can do a technical analysis on a stock. And when you decide for yourself, okay, I'm gonna buy when this happens. You can put an alert, forget it, and 2 weeks from now when the stock is ready for you, then the alert will pop up. You go back there and you just enter. So it saves a ton of time. This is what I do and this is what I like. Thank you very much for watching. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.